Brahmi drug comes under Vichitra Pratyarabdha. This plant is related with intellectual things and memorial, and it is excellent anti-aging property this drug is having. Botanical name of Brahmi is Bacopa moneri. Family of Brahmi Scrofulariaceae. Ganavargikarana. According to Acharya Charaka, Brahmi comes under Prajasthapana, Sanyasthapana and Balyagana. According to Acharya Bhav Prakasha, it comes under Guduchadigana. And Acharya Sushruta not mentioned. Vernacular names. In English, Brahmi is known as Indian water hyssop. In Kannada, it is known as Jala Brahmi. In Hindi, Brahmi is known as Jalmin. The synonyms of Brahmi are Toyavalli, it grows near water resources. Matsyakshi, the flower of Brahmi resembles to fish. Tikta Lotana, it is a bitter type of lotana like leafy vegetables. Vayasya, it is a good rejuvenator. As I said earlier, it is having an excellent anti-aging property. Somavalli, it is filled with full of good qualities. Morphology of Brahmi are it found throughout the India, grows near marshy places and commonly seen in Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. It is a succulent, prostrate, creeping annual herb. Stem is green with internodes of varying length. The leaves are simple leaf, oboate, oblong and having opposite arrangement. The entire margin is fleshy and they are dotted with minute spots. And the stem is green with varying internodes. And leaves are 0.5 to 2 cm long. Flower is white or pale bluish in color. Fruit is capsule. The useful part of Brahmi is whole plant. Chemical composition are D-mannitol, saponin, stigmasterol, mannitol, butyric acid, beta-sitosterol and nicotine. The pharmacological actions are nervine tonic, diuretic, anti-inflammatory, cardiac tonic, anticonvulsant, blood purifier, rejuvenator and memory enhancer. The rasa panchakas are rasa is tikta kashaya madhura rasa, guna is laghu saraguna, virya is shita virya, vipaka is madhura and dosha karma tridosha shamaka and the prabhava is medhya. General karmas of Brahmi plant are medhya, rasayana, swarya, smriti vardhaka, kushtagna, pandu, medohara, vishagna, shotahara, jwarahara, hrudya and kandugna. Sthanika karmas are Bahya, it is Shotahara, Vedana Sthapana and Vishagna. Antarika, in case of Pachana Sanstana, it is Deepana, Pachana and Anulomana. In Raktava Shrotas, it is Rakta Shodhaka and Shotahara. In Shwasan Sanstana, it is Kanthya. And in Mutrava Shrotas, it is Mutrala. Rogagnata are Unmada, Apasmara, Kushta, Kandu, Pandu, Rameha, Kasa, Jwara and Aruchi. These are the Rogagnata. Rogagnata means which Brahmi reduces these rogas. The Amaika Prayogas are in case of Apasmara, old ghee processed with Brahmi, Vacha, Kushta, Shankhapushpi cures Apasmara. In case of Unmada, the Swarasa prepared with Kushmanda Phala, Brahmi, Vacha, Shankhapushpi mixed with Kushta Churna along with honey is given. Dose Swarasa 10 to 20 ml, Churna 5 to 10 gram, Kvata 50 to 100 ml and the yogas are Brahmi Ghruta, Kumara Kalyanaka Ghruta, Brahmi Vati, Brahmi Arka, Manasmitra Vataka and in case of small kids, Saraswata Rishta and Arvinda Rishta is beneficial.